staff, welcome to the ribbon cutting of the Deion Cash Center for Change. Staff is in here, but they will tell you I had large sticky notes on my wall talking about, Lord, I thank you for my building, for our building.
That's what you did.
5 years ago, 8 years ago, they walk in my office, they say, Miss Bryant, we got a new building. We do, just hasn't manifested itself. I was like, okay. And the thing about it is, we don't always know when God will move or how He will move, but never, ever, ever doubt that He will move on your behalf. First by sending our board member, Will Dent, to talk to me about IFF, and then to meet Bryant Keeler, who's the Director of Lending of IFF. Bryant worked out a financial structure for our agency to meet our agency's needs, to Rodney Meadows and Dave Patterson of Mauder and Meadows Architect. Rodney Meadows designed this building, back there, and he designed this building to make sure that we had every possible use of this space. Rodney, you have always supported my mother, and you have continued to so graciously support me in the agency. Together, Rodney and Dave Patterson were with me every step of the way to help me navigate this whole process.
Whereas, as we celebrate today the opening of a new 75-bed residential center at 1432 East Tuscarawas Street, we proudly honor the service and the memory of Deion by naming the new facility the Deion Cash Center for Change.
Yes. Thank you so very much for what you're doing. Thank you for keeping it in the fourth ward. And we appreciate that. And we know God going to continue to bless you. Yes.
Circumstances brought about that we had to start looking for different locations. Deion happened to own this property here. Board had to make a decision as to how we wanted to expand and start. We were fortunate. The board talked about a few years ago bringing in a female facility, actually about 15, 20 years ago, that we knew we needed to expand because the female population needed just as much attention as the male population. But again, things kept getting thrown up in front of us. So fortunately, we had groundbreaking, the mayor said back in last November, I couldn't remember the date. And here we are in the actual facility. And we talked then. I made an announcement then and said we were going to be looking to have females. Remember, these things are controlled by the state. Lo and behold, in our last board meeting, Chandra was able to announce to the board that we were given a pilot project by the state to take on 20, up to 12. But it can expand, obviously. I have no doubt that we're going to be able to expand with community support.